Hi, this is Bob. We're going to talk again about installing the PTO on an older Cub Cadet, and I'm going to call this part 3 because it just never seems to end. So we're going to talk about today how this collar locks onto the bearing. Okay, so what happens is, let's say that we have both pieces on the bearing on the crankshaft now, and I am going to turn this locking collar clockwise like I did in video 1 and 2. And here we can see right there. Do you see that right there? Right in this area here, how the circle is now offset. I don't know how to say circle any different, but the roundness is offset from the crankshaft. And if I back it up 180 degrees, which is right there, everything seems copacetic or even on the crankshaft. Now I'm going to go 180 degrees, and now you can see that the two pieces are non-concentric, non-conforming, non-whatever on the crankshaft, and that's how it locks it onto the crankshaft. And at this time, you would bash that area that's been bashed many times onto the crankshaft, which will lock it onto the crankshaft, and that's how that works. Okay, so I hope that helps, and we'll talk to you later. Maybe there'll be a part 4. I don't know. Bye-bye.